Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. Driving this beautiful Nissan GTR 2021 premium model, and it's got the updated interior. Got Apple Pay, which is great. We're on Apple Play right now, not Apple Pay. I may have said Apple Pay. Anyway, we're headed to Hattie B's. They're also another great place for hot chicken, and hopefully you can make something really delicious there. We're looking forward to teaming up with the guys over there and seeing what happens. Yep, are you excited to do it?
Oh, yes.
All right, let's do it, Harold.
We're so stoked to have you here in Nashville, Tennessee, our hometown, and of course right here at Hattie B's Hot Chicken.
Right.
It's not every day that we get a master sushi chef of Hero's status, so I mean this is just too cool. We've been looking forward to this ever since we heard about it.
Right, definitely. Well, you guys are so successful. I know you have stores in different states already, and you guys are expanding pretty rapidly.
We are.
Yeah.
Yeah,
about your concept.
you know, we're born in Nashville, so we've got several stores here. We've got a new one opening early next year, right in the middle of the action on Lower Broad. We're really looking forward to that. We're also in Atlanta. We're in Birmingham. We're in Memphis. We're at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas.
Wow.
Which is really fun. Maybe the most fun Hattie B's, I don't know. And we're coming to Dallas, Texas next year.
Wow.
So our first entry into Texas. We're so excited about that. But if you don't live in one of those cities, it's okay. You can get Hattie B's delivered right to your front door on goldbelly.com. So you don't have to be in one of our towns to enjoy Hattie B's. You can turn one of your kitchens into one of our kitchens.
Oh, nice.
Just like that.
Wow, that's fabulous. Well, tell us your story. Tell us how Hattie B's came to be and where it's going. The food looks so enticing, and let me tell you, can't wait to jump in the kitchen and try it out.
It's pretty easy to take good pictures of that food, huh? I mean, we've got some great photographers, but I think the food really sells itself. Hattie B's is born of Nashville. Hot chicken is born of Nashville. It came way before us, of course. You know, predated us by a long shot. You know, the legendary families in hot chicken, the Princes and the Boltons, they were doing it a long time before we thought about doing it. But you know, Nashville's all about excitement and love, that combination of having a big fun time and being loved on. And that's what we do here at Hattie B's as well. That's what we're all about. Yeah, we're a hot chicken place, and we're proud of our hot chicken and our sides and our desserts. But people come here, I think, not for the hot chickens as much as they do for the excitement and the way it feels to be here and to get some of our Hattie B's and Nashville love.
So do you have to get hot? Because obviously it's in your name, and what's what you're famous for.
I mean, you probably should, right? If you come to Hattie B's Hot Chicken, you should probably go hot. But you don't have to. A lot of people think you got to kill yourself to come to Hattie B's or to eat Nashville hot chicken, but it's not true. Our chicken comes out of the fryer perfectly southern fried. So even if you don't like the hot stuff, we've got great southern fried chicken for you. And then it goes mild, medium, and hot. These are our everyday heat levels. Depending on how much heat you can take, one of those is probably right for you. And then if you're a daredevil, a real madman, then we've got damn hot and shut the cluck up all the way up here. That's the daredevil's dream. Clocks in at almost 500,000 Scoville. It'll put you down. I don't care who you are. You're gonna remember that one.
Wow. All right, well, I'll let you try that.
Oh, you got to have some before you leave. We're not letting you out here without that much shut the cluck up at least.
Okay. Well, what's your favorite?
My favorite's hot. A hot leg quarter, you can't beat it.
Excited to go in the kitchen and try it out and see what Hiro can do with your food.
Oh yeah, the place is yours. We're going to let Hiro go crazy. We're going to taste a little bit of everything, let his mind go to work and see what he can create.
All right. Thanks again, Chef Brian.
Oh, thank you. It's a pleasure to have you here, and we can't wait to see you guys and all of you at a Hattie B's Hot Chicken soon.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, Hiro-san, look
Yes.
at this beautiful thighs. Incredible. Their black-eyed peas salad. This is their potato salad, pimento mac and cheese, and of course pickles. Hiro-san, so excited to see what you can do with this.
Okay, first one, I'm gonna do the debone, the chicken. I'm gonna take all the meats.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a lot of stuff on it. So I need to break it. Pretty much I can work with the fingers. I don't need a knife, I guess. But it's a little bit hot. Usually I do this. So
Oh, this is the best part. I love the skin.
oh yes. very very hot.
Oh, look at how juicy this chicken is. It's incredible.
I wanna keep this skins here. It's great.
I'll take that part here.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Right?
I like the skin. Okay. Ooh, it's very hot. Very very hot. Okay. This is here.
Oh, it looks so good.
This one. This one's a little bit different than regular.
It's hot.
It's hot, right?
It's a hot.
That's called hot chicken, no? So
Yeah.
That's right. That's not Nashville Blvd chicken.
hot in two ways. Spicy hot and temperature hot.
Yeah.
I can't get over how juicy it is.
It's a hot.
For your fingers, Hiro, come on. Your
Yeah.
fingers are steel.
My iron fingers.
Should be nothing for you. I mean, you put your fingers in hot oil.
This is like so spicy on it, so
Yeah.
make it more hot. Okay. Next one is bread.
All right, Hiro.
Yeah. First one, I'm gonna take off this edge.
And Chef Brian told us this is just regular white bread, nothing special. The cheaper the better, actually.
I'm going to do slice up in a half. This one.
Are you serious?
Okay?
You're able to do that, Hiro?
Little to make it thinner.
All right. That's like a challenge too, no?
Yeah.
That's got to be super sharp. Oh, nice. It's a piece of cake for you. Easy.
Not easy though.
Not easy. All right, how do you get the bread to stick with each other? A little ancient Chinese secret right here. Do they
Yeah.
have ancient Chinese secret in Japan?
What they call?
Ancient Chinese secret?
Ancient secret.
I don't think so.
I never hear about that.
You never heard of that, right?
I never hear about that.
It's not a Japanese thing.
What? Ancient China.
Yeah, it's just a commercial from many years ago. Ancient Chinese secret. Anyway, he's using the rice to put together so it sticks. So I had some potato salad earlier. Let me
Yes,
tell you what,
really good.
this was unbelievable. In fact, all these sides were my favorite. If you're a mac and cheese lover, this pimento mac and cheese is to die for. And there's black eyed peas also, black eyed pea salad. Never had anything like that before. Delicious. Everything here was amazing. Oh, it looks so good, Hiro. And the bread is gonna just soak up all the juice,
Right.
right?
But before too much, juice going, we need to fry it up
Yeah.
because it start
Next
to
step
break.
is to fry it
Start to
up.
break.
True.
Yeah.
Just look at the chicken's so crunchy.
Yes. This is the best of parts.
Right? I agree. All kinds of skin is good.
Right.
Yeah. So pickles are also important. Part of the recipe. Presentation.
This is a little challenge. But anyway, I can go with my hand first. Okay, then go to Wakisu.
Oh, that is a big roll.
Yeah, it's
You know?
it's pretty huge, you know. Okay. then cut in half.
Now, if you guys thought this is all we have planned, you're wrong. Something special is going to happen to this roll.
Yes, so now gonna fry it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
First, I'm gonna cut to the edge for the making a
Okay.
flat. Easy to stay on the
Okay.
plate. Cut the edge a little bit, and I go with not too much big bites, so maybe cut into the 5. I go with 4. Okay.
Okay.
Go 4. Yeah. And put a little bit of wasabi on the middle.
Oh yeah. I can't wait to try with the real wasabi. It's another level of heat.
Yeah, right.
Oh my goodness. This mac and cheese is so good. Imagine what this whole roll is like, tastes like. Wow, incredible. Look at this roll. Hiro-san, I think you overdid yourself this time.
Looking good.
I know exactly what everything tastes like in here because we were fortunate enough to try it earlier. And let me tell you what, it is unbelievable. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share. Don't forget to subscribe. And again, a huge thanks to everyone here at Hattie B's. You guys got to visit. It is incredible. Thank you so much, Hiro.
Yeah, thank you. See you
See
next
you
time.
soon. All right, here we go. We want to thank again so much, Chef Brian. Thank
Our
you so much.
pleasure. So
Thanks
great
for
to have
having
you
us.
guys.
Yeah, and hearing your story earlier, I mean, so inspirational. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Mike, also thanks for having us. All right, please
Yes, please.
enjoy.
Woo! You ready, buddy?
Going a full one?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
You don't look like a half bite
I'm not
guy.
a
to me.
nasty type of guy. You're
Cheers.
right. Cheers. Thank you so much. Wow.
Thank you.
That's amazing.
Hiro, you got to try too, Hiro.
Sure.
Oh yeah, looks great. Let me tell you, I love the sides here.
It's so funny. In spite of our hot stuff, the heat of that wasabi punches through. It's there. That fresh wasabi, so good.
I would have never thought this would work so well. This is incredible.
It's like Hattie B's in a bite.
Let's put this on the
Basically.
menu.
You got to do it.
Wasabi sauce.
We're just going to bring you here to make everyone.
Wasabi sauce.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, that wasabi comes through really, really great. That's fantastic.
And let me tell you, the size could be the mains too. Everyone,
Good God.
Oh my god,
my favorite
that's
here.
good.
Yeah.
That's stupid good.
Amazing.
Again, thank you so much, guys, for having us.
Thank
It was
you.
a pleasure and an honor.
Thank you.
And hope to see you guys soon. Visit Hattie B's, everyone. Thank you.